My name is Amir and I'm part of the implementation team here at Clearbit. I actually never heard of GoLinks before, but learned more about the product when I was assigned to implement them as my customer. I have over 100 saved bookmarks from links directed to Notion, Google Drive, and Salesforce. It was a headache searching for them each time and defeated the whole purpose of having bookmarks in the first place. I decided to give GoLinks a try, and since implementing it in my current workflow, I haven't looked back. Instead of scouring through my saved bookmarks, GoLinks standardizes each URL to my personal preference. For example, if I want to access my daily task, I type go/task, and I'm immediately taken to my Notion of to-dos and projects. And one of the nice features the solution offers is that it integrates with any browser, along with Salesforce, Slack, and a host of other familiar tools. With GoLinks, I slash my bookmarks to just a select few, saving 5 to 6 hours of productivity time per week while staying more organized and efficient. Whether for business or personal use, I recommend GoLinks to anyone who's looking to power their day-to-day workflow.